and talking to ravens and doing meditation with them. Like, I'm not kidding. There's a video on it. He meditates with ravens.
Say what now? Robert F. Kennedy Jr. gushes over his ravens who meditate with him in the morning. Say what now?
Look what I came home to. That's the dad closest to me. And then the mom is second one. The two babies are behind them begging for food. They all come down to the rail as soon as I call them. They're very, very responsive and they're getting like more and more confident every day. It's really fun to watch them interact, and they have this wide range of vocalizations. You can see him now feeding the baby. Anyway, they have these extraordinary vocalizations with a wide range of clicking sounds of cawing, and a very, very rich range of communicating with each other. And for me, it's just fun to watch.
So, while I was on the hunt for that video and that article, I came across this article from Vanity Fair. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. once lived with an emu who regularly attacked his wife. It's cut off at the top, but it says, yes, in an interview with the paper of record, Kennedy revealed that Cheryl Hines is, quote, good with his wild pet ravens. More on them later, in contrast to how she felt about Toby, the emu, who moved out to Malibu with Mr. Kennedy in 2014 and took up residence in the backyard. That's a direct quote. Why didn't Hines like Toby? Probably because he took to charging at her violently. And took to charging at her violently is a direct quote. And not just once or twice, but so frequently that she, quote, started carrying a shovel in self-defense whenever she stepped outside, end quote. Meditates with Ravens had an emu that violently charged his wife, and she had to deal with it. And her way of dealing with it is grabbing a shovel every time she wanted to go outside to protect herself from the emu. It's got to be the brain worm. Yeah, it's got to be the worm that was eating his brain. But this is who y'all are stomping for and getting in my comment section to say y'all are voting for?